Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by testing a tiny spot to confirm the paint layer will release. This prevents bigger mistakes. Once done, don a respirator and gloves, position a heat gun at 300 to 400 degrees, and warm the painted text evenly. This softens the coating. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift softened paint, making short overlapping passes. Make sure to keep the heat moving to avoid scorching, and stop as soon as the paint begins to peel. Once the bulk of text lifts, switch to a citrus-based or low VOC solvent to dissolve remaining residue, because harsh strippers can damage underlying paint. Apply a small amount with a microfiber pad and let it dwell 1 to 2 minutes. Then wipe with slow, overlapping strokes to emulsify the film. You should repeat in small sections rather than soaking a large area, and alternate solvent application with gentle heat if stubborn bits remain. So you preserve the. You finish by wiping the surface with isopropyl alcohol to remove solvent residues, then dry with a lint-free cloth to prevent streaks. Once clean, use a light polishing compound to blend edges, followed by 1 to 2 coats of protective sealant to restore gloss and protection. If you notice underlying clearcoat damage or hazing, stop work immediately. Lightly wet sand with 800 to 1,500 grit, repolish, and if necessary, touch up paint to avoid corrosion or peeling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.